All right, in this video, we're going to be looking at how to solve equations graphically in order to solve some word problems. So we are trying to choose here between two rental companies. The first one, you have to pay $20, but then they're going to charge you 59 cents per mile. So I'm going to write that, we'll just call X. Maybe call that cost 1, where X is the number of miles and C is the cost. All right, the second one, you have a setup fee of $16, but then they charge you more per mile. And I want to know which one is, it says when is this first company, Keep On Trucking, okay, going to be a better choice for Jamal. So these are already solved for Y. They're already solved for our output in this situation. So we're going to solve this graphically, and I'm just going to use Desmos to do that. So in Desmos, I'm going to say Y equals 0.53x plus 20. And Y equals, what was the other slope? Oh, it's 60, or 59 and 63, 59. Okay, and 63 plus 16. Now, if you notice, they're not in my graphing area. Well, that's because my y-intercepts are 20 and 16. So I'm going to close this out and then look up here at my graphs. So now I can start seeing them. Now, it's going to be quite a few miles before we're able to see where these graphs intersect. So I'm going to zoom out quite a bit. And then I would like for Desmos to find the intersection for me. So X equals 100, Y equals 79. And you can see, okay, that's going to be our initial cost here. And so let's go ahead and kind of graph that situation, just sketch it, if you will, for this problem. So we have it in our notes. So the trucking company that starts at 16 has a faster rate of change, and the one that starts at 20 has a slower rate of change. So even though company 1 starts a little higher than company 2, once I get past 100 miles is what we found, was 100, and then what was the cost on that? 79. Okay, both companies, if I have 100 miles that I'm going, both companies are going to cost me $79. If I have to go less than 100 miles, I probably want to choose company 2. That's the line for company 2. If I have to go more than 100 miles, I probably want to choose company 1.